Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the Google Docs. So, what are the Google Docs and the searching commands we can use in a Google? So, let's start with the Google Docking. It is also known as the Google hacking. Most of the hackers use these techniques for searching anything from your web server directly. So how it will possible and what are the commands we can see in this video. So Google advanced search, we can say it is a technique used to search for the information that is not readily available through the basic Google search. If we are going to search with a Google basic Google search, we cannot find such kind of information, but with the help of these codes related to the Google Doc, most of the hackers use these codes for getting information from your web server directly. So let's start with some commands related to the Google Docs. First one is a in URL, in title, all in title, site, file type, and these are the few commands we can use. So now we have to say we are going to see practically each and every command how we can use. So first command is a in URL. Suppose it just open a Google and type in URL colon the PHP. What it means? It means the information gives from the Google related to the PHP only. And in URL means all the information related in the URL related to PHP only. The all searching results is related to give the information related to PHP information. We can see in the first searching result the index of the PHP also include in the search very first, and the second searching we can see here the index.php file is also included in the each and every result. The PHP must be included. Suppose in the URL you are going to find about the PHP or any other options, you can write suppose we want to result related to the Python. The Python should be included in the URL. So in URL colon and the Python, this command reply the welcome to the python.org we can see here, and the second result also related to the Python software foundation, and the third result also we can see here Python tutorial. So means all Python related information we can see in the results of the Google search. And the next one is the in title, means the each and every URL mean the any websites in a title particular word or particular keyword should be included in this command. So the in title IEEE Explorer means the IEEE Explorer should be included in the title of each and every URL. In the result we can see here the search engine docs, the IEEE Explorer. So in the in title we can see here the title also included the IEEE Explorer, and the next result IEEE Explorer they also included title IEEE Explorer in the second result and third result. Each and every results come from the Google is included IEEE Explorer keyword which I want to reply. So how the next keyword is the file type. So file type, if you want to search any particular file type results, if you want to search any book in a PDF, so you have to write a book name, then the file type keyword and the command Google Doc command in the column, and you have to write extensor which is PDF, XLS and DOCX means in the PPT also. So as per your requirement you can find a particular file type based searching with the Google Doc. Another example we can see here the Excel as file. If you want to search about the Excel file in URL email.xls means the results gives all the results gives the Excel files which these results are related contains all the email IDs of particular, means the most of the searching websites or we can see in the social media networking or the selling related marketing related persons generally search and use this Google Docs. So they are using these commands, and with the help of this command they are getting the multiple emails, random people emails, and send marketing strategy email in the spam of your email ID. If we many times we have seen if we are using our Gmail ID, suppose we are open Gmail ID, we can see here in the spam there are multiple messages related to the marketing strategies or any searching results related to, if you want to search once related to the shoes type information or any other kind of things. So if you want to search, then after some time you can see here in your social media content you will be there there are multiple emails related to such kind of searching. And the next one is the all in text, means all information in the text area, the username and the file type log. So we can combine these commands in a single form and use a hacker. So hacker is generally use the username and the log files if it is present in your web server, also not published in your website but present in your web server. Google hacker can use hacker can get these such kind of sensitive information with the help of these commands also. All in text, username and the log. So log related and the username related, all the information any hacker can find with the help of these commands also. You can see here with the example, simple command all in text colon username and the file type log, means the all log files here you can see contains the username and the password of any person, the random person. So you can use for a illegal person, for a legal strategy. Means this video is for your for your ethical like purpose, for the academic learning purpose, not for the hackers. So you can use these commands in your own risk, and for a learning purpose you can use it. There is no issue. And one thing also you should remember, so these commands are very sensitive, like the db underscore the password and the file type env. The env type file type commands generally contain the password of the database, means your web server password and the username contained in a env file. If you are not, if your website is not properly secured, then and your website is a vulnerable, then your then any hackers and authorized person can access easily with the help of these Google Docs. You should aware about the privacy and the security of your web server also. So this is all about Google Dorking. Here you can see example, the DB password and the file type and the ENV, the ENV related file type, random files you can search here. These files contain the username and the password of any user particular any domain. So if your website is vulnerable, then you can find these files also related to your username and the password. You can use for downloading purpose. Suppose you want to download any movie or particular song, so you can use these commands also for the entertainment purpose. The index of mkv, check the India. Suppose in this example you can see the index of file, means these files returns direct index files indexing from your web server directly, means there is not a link to link. Suppose generally you want to download any movie or any song, then you have to click in another page, then you have to redirect it in another page. But with the help of this command you can get direct link from the web server, and in a single click you can directly download. Here the output you can see the watch movie title, check the India free, and the watch movie there. Each and every result shows about the particular movie in a mkv form. You can download easily, so you can use it. But remember, this is for the academic purpose, this is for your learning purpose. The Google Dorking and such kind of sensitive commands you can use, and you can improve your, if you are a creator of any website, you are maintaining any web server, so you should secure and get a proper privacy in your web server. You should randomly change your indexing or your default file indexing. Suppose you are creating any file in the based of the content management system, so you should require to rechange or the altered your indexed file in a web server for making secure your websites. So this if you are applying such kind of activities and security in your websites, then any Google Dorking command will not get your personal sensitive files from your web server directly. So thank you very much. Thank you.